The house kind of looks like Millie, don't you think? Just kind of unpretentious, older, I don't know. Hey, I'm Brittany from PrettyHandyGirl.com, and I just bought this 1957 ranch near downtown Raleigh. I can't wait to give her some attention, make her beautiful again. I'm affectionately calling this project Millie's Remodel because she doesn't need a lot of work, but she just needs a little bit of a facelift. I hope you guys will join me on another renovation journey. Let's get started and I'll go ahead and give you the tour. Millie has a driveway for off-street parking, but that carport is going to have to go. I'll show you why later, but in the meantime, let's step inside. This 1990s hunter green door will probably be repainted or stripped, but I need to mull over the options in my head for a little while. Just inside the front door is the living room. The house has all the original windows and they are in great shape, but as you can see, the carport blocks the view and it also blocks some of the light from coming into this room. The wood flooring at the back of the room is the dining area. As you can see, I couldn't wait to see what was under the cheap laminate and brown Berber carpet. Wood floors and unfortunately some glue down linoleum tiles. Hopefully they will come up easily. Hopefully. Through this doorway is a small kitchen. I think the cabinets are original, as is the back door. I definitely like the half-light door. I have plans to remove this little corner wall behind the fridge to open the kitchen up into the living area for an updated open concept feel. Especially because having two doorways in the kitchen is kind of ridiculous. Across from the kitchen is a small closet. I haven't decided whether I'll leave it as a coat closet or add shelving for better storage space or to turn it into a pantry. Again, I'll have to mull over those ideas in my head. The hallway leads to the 3 bedrooms in the house. In the front bedroom, I already pulled back the Berber carpet, but because there's no padding and no tack strips, this will be extremely easy to remove. And you know I'll be removing the carpet to expose those beautiful wood floors. Granted, they will need to be refinished, but I'm excited to see them look new again. Bedroom number 2 is slightly larger. The ceiling fan will definitely have to be updated, and I'll make sure there's a brace to support the weight of the fan when we take the old one down. Bedroom number 3 is about the same size as bedroom 2. It has a great view of the backyard. Oh, and that ceiling fan will also be replaced. Otherwise, there's not much to be done in the bedrooms. They're in pretty good shape, only refinishing the floors. This is a decent sized linen closet. It will stay and I won't be doing anything to the closet, except I might change the door. Currently Millie has 4 different door styles. It would be nice to have them all match, but we'll see if I can find some matching doors at my local Habitat Restore. The attic is only accessible by that little scuttle hole. Good thing I've lost some weight since January. Now let's take a look at the only bathroom in the house. It definitely needs a makeover. The toilet is almost brand new, but the floor has some rot underneath. Therefore, we'll remove it and pull up the floor, but we'll reset the toilet after the new tile goes in. The vanity will come out and be replaced. If you can't tell from the video, it's incredibly short. The tub is cast iron but has a horrible DIY paint job. Hopefully I can strip the paint off it and then have the tub reglazed. The rest of the tub surround will be replaced with new tile after I install a new waterproof window. And I have no idea how that wood frame window isn't in worse shape, but it's not suitable for a shower. One of the best features of this property is the quiet and secluded backyard. Besides getting rid of lots of poison ivy and one very rotted tree, all the other trees will stay. The shed is a bit of an eyesore and I'll have to remove the damaged siding. Hopefully we can relocate it to the back of the yard and add new siding, trim, and make it a little more attractive. For those of you that hate laundry, I give you a feature that you will love, an outdoor laundry room so you never have to see laundry inside your house. Actually, the plan is to cut a doorway into the house. On the other side of this wall is the living room. I'll add a powder room and put in a stackable washer and dryer. This will give the house a much needed second bathroom. Here's approximately where that doorway would go between the powder room and the living room. And just so you can see, this is where that doorway would enter into the house. Not ideal having it coming into the dining room, but this really is our only option. That's the tour. Hopefully next time I share an update, that ugly carport will be gone. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to click that like button below if you liked it. And hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and you'll never miss another DIY video tutorial from Pretty Handy Girl again. Speaking of not missing anything, I'm on all these social channels. Come find me at Pretty Handy Girl.